Once your Photoshop is open, drag the sample image to your workspace and drop it there to make so it will create a new workspace. Then press Ctrl 0 to fit on screen. Now we are going to add a effect for us to highlight the face of the girl. Since the girl is somehow looks pale, we are going to adjust a selective color, and we are going to target the white because the face is somehow white because she is pale. The color of her face is pale, so we are going to adjust that. Select white, and we are going to increase the yellow. So as you can see, her face change, and also the magenta, and make it darker. No, lower the darker, reduce the magenta. Now we are going to choose the red. So we are going to increase the red. Increase the red color. So this is the before and the after. As you can see, the picture looks better now. So that's how you change the color skin tone of the face in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now save the photo under File, Save As. Then click this and select JPEG and rename it Edited. And press Save. Make sure you select the maximum here. Then press OK. Then we can compare the before and after image. This was the before and the after.